Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into a full comparison between Pocket Option and Expert Option. These are two of the most talked about platforms for digital and binary options trading. And while they look similar on the surface, there are some big differences when you dig deeper. Let's break them down, look at their features, pros and cons, compare them head to head, and finish with a verdict on which one might suit you better. Let's start with Pocket Option. This platform came onto the scene a few years ago and quickly gained attention for its easy-to-use interface and wide range of assets. It supports trading on Forex, stocks, crypto, and commodities, and offers both a demo mode and live trading. One of the biggest advantages of Pocket Option is its clean, modern layout that even beginners can navigate easily. It also features social trading, which means you can follow and copy other traders' moves in real time. Payouts on successful trades can go up to around 90%, and it offers many payment methods for deposits and withdrawals. However, Pocket Option isn't without its flaws. The platform operates under less strict regulation, meaning traders need to be cautious when investing large amounts. Some users have experienced withdrawal delays or restrictions, especially when using bonus funds. The minimum deposit is a bit higher compared to some competitors, usually around $50, which might be a small barrier for absolute beginners. Despite this, Pocket Option offers strong flexibility, an attractive interface, and plenty of assets to trade, making it appealing to more experienced traders who want customization and fast-paced trading options. Now let's talk about Expert Option. This platform has been around slightly longer and is known for its simplicity and low entry barrier. It's very beginner-friendly and focuses on short-term trades, usually between 1 and 5 minutes. The interface is smooth, quick to load, and gives users a straightforward trading experience without too many complicated settings. Expert Option's minimum deposit is often as low as $10, making it perfect for traders who want to start small. It also offers a good range of assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, along with educational resources for beginners. On the downside, Expert Option also operates under limited regulation, and while payouts can reach up to 95%, there have been occasional complaints about account verification times and withdrawal processes. The platform doesn't have as many advanced features as Pocket Option, no copy trading or heavy chart customization, but that simplicity is actually what some users love about it. When comparing the two, Pocket Option feels more advanced and feature-rich, while Expert Option is simpler and easier to use. Pocket Option gives traders more control over their strategies, offers more trading tools, and provides a more social experience. Expert Option, on the other hand, focuses on fast, minimalistic trading with less clutter and lower risk for beginners. Pocket Option's interface and variety might appeal to experienced users who want to experiment with different assets or strategies, while Expert Option's straightforward design makes it ideal for newcomers who just want to understand how binary or digital options work without getting lost in too many settings. Both platforms are fast, responsive, and have apps for Android and iOS, so you can trade on the go. But Pocket Option feels more like a power user's platform, whereas Expert Option is more like an easy entry point. As for the verdict, it depends on what type of trader you are. If you're just starting out and want something simple, low cost, and easy to navigate, Expert Option might be the better choice. If you already know how binary or digital options work and want more tools, more trading styles, and more control, then Pocket Option might suit you better. Just remember, both involve high risks, and it's always smart to start with a demo account before putting real money on the line. Trade responsibly, and make sure you fully understand the platform's rules, especially when it comes to withdrawal and bonuses. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more comparisons like this, and let me know in the comments which platform you prefer, Pocket Option or Expert Option. See you in the next one.